Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says here, choose the correct statement in this part. So which statement is correct? First one is given that is pyruvate is formed in the mitochondrial matrix. So this one is wrong because the pyruvate, this is the ultimate product of the glycolysis process. Glycolysis, and the glycolysis, this is a aerobic process. This is a aerobic reaction, aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration, and this aerobic respiration is found or is formed in the cytoplasm, cytoplasm, not in the mitochondrial matrix. So this one is the incorrect statement. Then B is given that developing conversion, and and also this pyruvate is produced, this pyruvate is produced from the glucose molecule. This is glucose molecule is partially broken down and forming the, this is the fermentation process and forming the pyruvate, two molecule of pyruvate. So this one is wrong. Then second one is given that during the conversion of the succinyl coenzyme A to succinic acid, a molecule of ATP is synthesized. So as we know, during the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A, so during the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinic acid, a molecule of GTP is synthesized, not a ATP. So a molecule of GTP, guanosine triphosphate, is synthesized. So this one is wrong here. Then C is given that oxygen is vital in respiration for the removal of hydrogen. So let's see. So oxygen sits at the end of the electron transport chain system. So in the electron transport chain system, the electron is transported from one part to another part, and in the last part, that is the oxygen, O2 is the ultimate electron acceptor. This is the last electron acceptor, last electron acceptor, and this is this electron acceptor, that is oxygen, is participate in the electron transport chain system, and where the oxygen accept electron and electrons and hydrogen. This accept electrons, also it accept hydrogen, H plus ion, and that is the proton, and pick up the proton to form the water, and use this proton for the formation of water. So it form water. So for that, this one is the correct answer. Then D is given that there is complete breakdown of glucose in fermentation. So in the fermentation, fermentation process, the glucose, that is this is found in the aerobic respiration. So in the aerobic respiration, that is in the glycolysis process, the glucose is completely break down and forming two pyruvate molecule. So this one is, so this is found in the aerobic condition. But in the fermentation process, this one is wrong, because in the fermentation process there will be formation of lactic acid, and the breakdown of glucose is not completely, it is not complete, because the glucose is, the breakdown of glucose is partially done by the glycolysis process. So for that, during the fermentation, glucose is partially broken down by the glycolysis. So this is wrong here. So which one of the following is correct? Option number C. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.